Good day. We received a new washing machine and you need to know this quick guide because there is a securing bolt that we need to remove. We have hose, hot and cold. There is including a hose, also a tool. That is the tool that we need to use in removing the securing bolts. That is for securing bolts, and hot and cold for the inlet for water, hot and cold. This is the securing bolt that is labeled shipping transit bolt. That tools is also important. If you don't have any tools, you can use this tool. But in our ship, you have a lot of tools to remove this one. But in your home or houses, you need to use this tool. This automatic washing machine is a domestic, same like domestic, or you can buy this at your local store. This is the securing bolt that I need to explain to you. This must be removed. This must remove if you use this automatic washing machine, and there is also a cap to cover that hole. And also check the power supply, power source for this one, 220, and the power rating for this automatic washing machine. Sometimes if you order in US, the power supply is 110, but for this one we receive in Korea, this is 220. LG Tromm. I hope you need to remember that for securing bolts that need to remove. LG 220, 60 Hz, 2100 watts. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Thank you for your support.